Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another Sheetify tutorial. Today's focus is to dive into our Sheetify CRM and talk about the email marketing quota. This is all about how many email campaigns that you can send per day. If we navigate down the bottom and locate dashboard, then navigate down to overview this month and locate Sheetify email sent and then quota left today. So this shows how many emails that you've sent from Sheetify CRM, and this is how many emails you have left to send today. Now, Sheetify CRM is connected to your Gmail account. If you're using a free Gmail account, then this quota will be a lot lower. However, if you're using a paid Gmail account, Google Workspace, then you'll have a higher quota. And each Google account will show a slightly different figure. This depends on many variables of your Gmail account. Basically, if Google deems your Gmail account as highly authoritative and not a spam account, then this figure is naturally higher. Okay, let's test this out. Let's navigate over to Contacts and Leads, and let's go ahead and send 2 emails to these individuals. I'm going to navigate up to Sheetify, Email Marketing, and send this email, send invoice email. Are you sure you want to send a invoice email? Yes. And as you can see, you sent 2 invoice emails. Now, if we jump back over to our dashboard, you can see our quota is 2, and this is all time. So if you want to reset this figure, all you need to do is change this to 0. Here's my quota for today, 1498. And similar to the process of sending emails that I just showed you, I'm going to go ahead and send 2 more emails and then show you the update here. And as you can see, I've now sent 4 emails and my quota has dropped to 1483. This is my quota left for the day. Now, you'd think that it would only drop by 4 from 1500 to 1496. However, this is not the case with Google and can vary from email to email. So when you send, let's say, 2 emails, your quota may drop by 5, 2, or even 10. And there are many variables involved to determine this. However, it's important to keep in mind to keep a healthy quota each day. If you go below your quota, then your Google account, your Gmail, may be marked as spam and your account can be limited. However, that is a brief guide on the email marketing quota that we've added inside Sheetify CRM. If you have any questions, make sure to pop them down below. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this video all the way through to the end. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.